In this guide, I'll show you how to fix stick drift on your Joy-Cons. So what you want to do is take your Joy-Cons off your Nintendo Switch, and what essentially happens is, over time there's wear and tear from using your analog stick, as well as dirt, dust, and debris buildup underneath, but you can actually try and clean it without taking it apart. So the first thing I recommend you do is grab yourself some Duster Blaster, and we're going to spray some air where the gap is when you push the analog stick to the edge. So we're trying to clean the opposite side here, and you want to work around the circumference of the analog. Now, if you have some isopropyl alcohol and Q-tips, you can wet the Q-tip and try and work around the analog stick as well, and then let it dry and see if that fixes your issue. Once you've done that, go ahead and put your Joy-Con back onto your Switch, and then what I recommend you do is do full clockwise rotations on the border of where your analog sits. Then once you've done that, I recommend you push down for a couple seconds and release, and then we're going to do the opposite way, so counterclockwise, for about 3 rotations, and then press down again in the hopes that we've removed any of that dirt, dust, and debris. Now, if none of these steps have worked, you could reach out to Nintendo to send in your Joy-Cons for repair. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.